Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanel. If you're new here, I want to say welcome. And if you're already part of the family, thank you so much for your love and support. This is just a quick message. Again, we've been in the series of Your Daily Bread, and I'm out again in nature. I think you're beginning to see the pattern here. I love it in nature. Nature holds such great memories for myself, but also such feelings of calm and connectedness. And if you agree, it'd be great to hear your thoughts in the comments. So leave me a comment below. So as I mentioned, this message is going to be a quick one, and I wanted to just touch quickly on some of the effects of being in the sunlight, getting that vitamin D in, soaking it into your skin, but also into your bones for your health. I'm a life and wellness coach, so wellness is also something that I try to champion as much as I can. And as a parent, sometimes you're not always able to take care of yourself, or it doesn't always feel natural to take care of yourself before taking care of the kids, the house, the family, whoever might need your help. I've been there and I know what that feels like. But this is a call back to parents to take your health seriously, because when you do that, you're not only creating wealth for yourself, you're creating wealth for your family. The more healthy you are, then the more you can get from your body, the more opportunities you have to really create those memories that you are so looking for your family, to be around for your family for longer, to be healthier, to be able to do the things that perhaps you can only dream of, or you've been saying to yourself for a long time, I really want to do more of that, but you just haven't got to that point. So walking, you've had me say so much about walking. Walking is such a low impact exercise that gives you great results. You can drag the family along with you, whether they want to or not. Or if you have the beautiful opportunity to walk by yourself, then do that, because then you can walk for longer and you can make it a bit more brisk to, if you don't have that long, or if you want to add a bit more impact. You can also carry like a backpack with a bit of weight in there, so a bit of cans or a bit of something more than your lip gloss and your phone, and give your body that weight training that it also needs to strengthen your bones, as well as to help you to build those muscles that will help to support you as you get older. Um, your body changes, and so you need to be really fitting in that fitness, that wellness, to really get the most out of your body. And get out in the park with the kids, kick a ball around. If you're not into football, that's fine. I mean, football is more or less you kick the ball. Not many people will agree, especially if you're a football fan. So, no disrespect intended. I guess I was trying to simplify it. Get out, run about with the kids. Even if you're doing that, you're chasing them for 2 to 3 minutes. You can really work up your heart rate and really get that blood flowing around, making your heart work, because your heart wants to work. Its role is to pump blood around your body, and so, in order to stop those arteries from getting clogged and your heart to really work for you, you want to be working it. You want to put it to the test. You want to also be moving your body as much as you can. If you have stairs in your property, making it intentional to go up and down those stairs a few times a day, or put some music on, dance for 10 to 20 minutes, get your heart rate going. These are things that you can do um, at home, but also out in the environment, and trying your best to eat healthier. So, being intentional about what you put inside of your body. Ask yourself this question: what am I expecting to get out of it? The fuel that you put in your body will determine what you get out of it. And I often say to my clients, if you have a car that runs on petrol, you won't be putting cooking oil in it, will you? Or if you have an electric car, I don't think it's possible to put oil in your electric car. Well, I don't have an electric car, but the point I'm trying to make is you would put the things into that car that allows it to transport you where you need to go, that allows it to keep ticking over so you can get the best out of it so it can be useful and provide the service or the use that you need it for. It's the same with your body. You've got to be treating your body like this is where you house your spirit. This is where your body does so much. And I think we take our body for granted. We take our hands for granted. We take our feet for granted. We take our ears. All these things, we take them for granted. And so this is just a callback to remind you to look after your body so you can get the best out of it. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a comment below. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos speaking more on the health and wellness, um, family, and how you can just keep yourself and your family healthy and happy. Bye. Love you.